Guys, this house is built on an ancient Indian burial site. Let's go to the basement.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy.
It's Mr. Indian Man.
This will help you on your journey.
Yo, it's a cow skull.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, Indian Man.
Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going?
Oh my gosh, the door magically shut. It's locked.
Oh my god.
Guys, I found a clue.
What is it?
The baby is hanging.
What is going on?
Oh
my god!
Oh my
What is
God.
going on? What is going on?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my gosh.
They fell to the couch.
The couch is a portal.
The couch must
The
be
couch is a
the
portal.
portal.
I'm gonna test it on his baby.
Oh, that's a good idea. Make sure it's not dangerous. Ew, it's making gross noises.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, it disappeared!
Oh my God, I'm gonna...
It disappeared! Let me go in!